When I first started mosaics, I used only the things I could find. So here is the very first piece I made after I decided to take on a workshop and a class. And I think one of the things that totally hooked me about mosaics was that after I made this piece, I entered it in a show and I won an award. So that totally locked me into staying with the process. I thought I was so freaking awesome. And when I come back to this piece and look at it, I can see all the things that I've learned over the years since this very first piece. But what I want to share with you that I think is so valuable is that you can use anything to make a mosaic. And I used broken swimming pool tiles and broken dishes, and let's see, I think these are those half-back marbles that people put in floral vases, part of a dish. I think there may even have been some pebbles in here. There's a bit of mirror, right? So this piece, which I still am very, very fond of because it's my deepest pleasure to gather the things, whatever they may be, and find a way for them to fit back together. The other thing I'd like to share with you is that I used just a pair of side biter nippers for the first 3 years. I didn't have money to invest in a lot of expensive materials, and we can find some pretty expensive things in the world of mosaics. You've got gold tessera and smalty and all types of handmade bits of gorgeousness. And yet it doesn't have to cost much at all. So I wanted to drop that in for you today. My name is Katrina Doran. Welcome to my world. This is the World of Doran Studio.